Kavya Kurumili. If you're new to my channel, I'm a travel and lifestyle blogger. So today I have come to this beautiful resort, that is Sachus Resort in Alibag. Hey, before going forward, let me start from the beginning. Excited to show you the view from here. It's like, not even a 2 minutes walk from here. The resort is right in front of the beach, and I'll show you the view just now. I really like the vibe. It's like, more of natural. I can see all the coconut trees over here. The rooms are really spacious. I'm going to give you a small room tour as well. So let me give you a room tour and then we'll continue. Over here by taking a ferry from Mumbai, Gateway of India, or else you can drive over here. You can easily get the location. The roads are really smooth. They also have this facility where you can play if you are coming with kids and all. So they have this badminton, plus they have some more games over here which you can be playing. I was planning a staycation for a long time and wanted something where I can work as well. So I'm thinking to get the food. It's like 2 o'clock now. Let's go. सोचा कि थोड़ा सा बीच चेक कर लेते हैं, तो गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द बीच. हवा बहुत तेज है और दूर दूर तक कोई नहीं है, इसलिए मैंने अपना मास्क निकाल दिया है. देख सकते हो. कोई भी नहीं है, पूरा बीच अपने लिए. चलो पानी की तरफ चलते हैं. Back to the room now. Soon we'll be having a discussion with the owner of Sachus Resort. Can you just introduce yourself to our viewers?
Sure. Hello everyone. So my name is Sankit Naik. I'm owner of Sachus Resort.
This idea of starting it.
So basically Alibag is a tourist place. For 6 years I was employed with Accenture. Then I came back. I started my own IT firm. And then as you know, a business owners once he get into just one business running the entire. So दूसरा कुछ तो करना था.
With so much competition over here, Sachu Resort stands apart from others.
What makes us stand apart from those competitors, most important thing is our food. So we only serve authentic homemade food. Is our property is beach touch, as you have seen, right?
Yes.
It's hardly a minute walk, and then you have an access to private beach basically. And to add to that, this private beach has helped us to stand apart in this COVID situation as well, because people don't need to get out of my property and then visit beach where they will have rush and other people, and then insecurity due to COVID, right? That
Yeah.
makes us stand out. And I made sure that when I constructed this resort, I have constructed only 4 deluxe room and a dormitory, and there is a huge wide open space that which you can see. So we are catering only few people, but then it helps us to give good amount of attention to each and every customer that visits our resort. So in this last 2 years, I don't have a single customer who has been unhappy.
Yeah, I have seen the beach as well. It's hardly a minute walk, and that way it is like it's totally for us. It's not like you won't find any other tourist over here, so that's really a plus. What are the precautions that you have been taking in the current situation?
First thing what we do is we assure them that if you book at Sachu's resort and there is a lockdown, we give you 3 months ka buffer period wherein you can replan your stay. Specific precautions, we make sure that we have that machine gun which check your temperature. So without checking temperature, we don't allow anyone. Even one day prior, we call our customers and we check with them whether they are healthy, they don't have fever, they
Yeah.
don't have any COVID symptoms as such, and only if they say yes, then we tell them that yes, okay, visit us tomorrow. So these are things. Then we sanitize each and everything. Right from pillows, bedsheet covers, towels, all are sanitized, are sent to laundry. It get washed out there, dry clean, sanitize, and then it come back. So we change each and everything after every checkup, and other precautions that as per the government norms.
To the current situation, everyone is scared of going out because they don't know how the resort or the the hotels are treating their things and how much they are taking care of stuff. And I can see the rooms are really neat and clean.
Neat and clean.
When I entered the property, I can see like it is really nice, calm. I can see a different species of plants over here.
We are fond of like greenery and all that stuff. So ऐसी कुछ अलग से मेहनत नहीं लेनी पड़ी उसको. जो when we started the construction, it came along with it कि चलो धीरे धीरे we started planting things, and this is what gives you the feel and that calmness that you are talking about. So there is a different mood when you enter this resort.
I have seen like lots of sports equipment over here, also a audio system. Okay.
मेरा बेसिकली एक इंटेंशन था कि आई विल कीप स्पोर्ट्स मटेरियल, म्यूजिक है. यू स्पेंड टाइम हियर इन दिस ओपन एरिया. आप बीच पे जाओ, यू स्पेंड टाइम विद फैमिली, नो ईच अदर, टॉक टू ईच अदर. नहीं तो वही अगर जो घर पे हम लोग करते कि यार वाईफाई लेके बैठा है, टेलीविजन पे बैठा है, दैन इट विल नॉट मेक सेंस एंड डिफरेंस नहीं पता चलेगा. यहाँ से पब्लिक जब चेकआउट करते हैं ना, दैट व्हेन दे डू द इंक्वायरी, कस्टमर टेल्स मी कि लाइक नहीं यार टेलीविजन तो चाहिए ऐसा वैसा, बट व्हेन दे डू द चेकआउट द सेम पर्सन टेल्स मी कि यार अच्छा कि तुमने टेलीविजन या वाईफाई नहीं लगा. कोविड के वजह से आई हैव पुट इन वाईफाई बिकॉज नाउ मेनी पीपल स्टे हियर फॉर अ लॉन्गर ड्यूरेशन, अ वीक और 2 वीक का टाइम स्पैन.
Okay.
दे नीड टू वर्क फ्रॉम रिजॉर्ट, बेसिकली वर्क फ्रॉम होम के अलावा वर्क फ्रॉम रिजॉर्ट. तो इसके लिए वाईफाई कनेक्शन अभी रिसेंटली लगा है, अदरवाइज मैं वो भी नहीं लगाता था.
Okay. Yeah, I have actually worked too in the starting क्योंकि मुझे थोड़ा edit करना था. So due to the Wi-Fi, I could do my
It
work.
was easy.
So yeah, it is a good vacation over here. You can spend your time over here and you can work as well. The people who are working from home, they can come over here, chill and also work. Message if you want to give to a viewer.
We at Sachu Resort basically believe that you should get what you pay for. यहाँ पे नेचुरली कोविड सिचुएशन अगर कंसिडर करें, नेचुरली ऑटोमेटिकली एक सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग हो जाता है, बिकॉज दी प्रॉपर्टी इज स्प्रेड आउट इन अ गुड 7 to 8 गुंटा का एरिया, एंड देर आर हार्डली 4 rooms एंड देन अ डॉर्मेटरी, उसमें भी स्पेस है. सो विजिट सचू रिजॉर्ट इफ़ यू आर बोर्ड विद द लॉकडाउन इन योर रूम्स, बिकॉज हम लोग लास्ट 1 साल से कोविड को झेल रहे हैं, एंड वी नेवर नो व्हेन इज दिस गोइंग टू एंड. अगेन देयर इज अ लॉकडाउन, एंड स्पेसिफिकली लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे यू कैन वर्क फ्रॉम सचू रिजॉर्ट. देयर इज अ गुड कनेक्शन ओवर हियर, पीस ऑफ माइंड है. Sachu Resort will be a different experience for you, and we definitely have something to offer you which is not here in other resorts, definitely. And thanks to you for coming at Sachu Resort and spending time.
We got to know more about the resort and what's behind, how the idea came up. So thank you very much for your time.
Welcome, welcome.
Done with the interview and now I'm going back to the room. It's post sunset. Gonna relax for some time over here. Played some badminton and now I'm gonna end my day with this yummy local food.
close to the palace. I'll be there for you.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is the second day and I am having this amazing time over this place. Look at the view. So this place is couple friendly, also good for solo travelers and also safe for girls group and girls. So do check it out. In case you liked my video, do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and let me know in the comment box what and all you liked, and also you can suggest me more of such trips.